Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I stole this pretty cool idea off of Eskimos, the macro man person, and you hit Control plus a number, not the number sign, but a number itself. So let's say we're going to take all these blues, and you can shift select and hit all the blues. I'm just clicking on all the blues. And then you could give it a number by Control 5. Now, let's say you're working on something else. You go, oh, I'd like to have those blues back. Now you have to hit as the number 5 on your keyboard, and it selected those blues. And you could do anything with it. You could change the color, make it no outline, have a black outline, have a red outline, and do anything you want and move stuff around. And then go, you know what? I wish I could select those again. Just hit the letter 5. Or the number 5, pardon me. And then once you close down this file, those numbers go away. So it's only good on that worksheet because it's only good on that group of stuff. And let's just say, just to make this video a little bit better, let's say you have a lot of blues. And instead of shift selecting them, let's even make more. Let's make a bunch of them. All right, now instead of shift selecting, let's say we want the reds. You can go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, Properties, Edit the query, double click on the text part of this with this check, and you'll come up there. I've already got it set on red, but if you didn't, if you wanted to do all the blues, all you have to do is take this eyedropper tool and grab it. There we go. And then select that blue, hit OK, OK, find all. Now it found all the blues. Now while we got those grouped, we're going to Control 8. And you go, you know what, I wish I had those back. Just hit the letter 8 and you've got them back. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.